Hello everyone, let's go to the 76th example. Make a program that reads an A matrix of integer 3 by 3. Next, read a matrix B, also 3 by 3. And then create a matrix C 3 by 3 composed of the largest values of each position of A and B. At the end, print the C matrix as an answer. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using the hashtag define to define a name and a value for this name. So every time I call this name, the value will be equal to 3. Here we have max, 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 a lot of max. And all these max have the value 3. So moving on, I am including 6 int variables for the matrix A of integers, the matrix B of integers, and the matrix C of integers. That will be the biggest value between the same position on the matrix A and then the matrix B. The I and J and the control will be the controls of our for loops. Here I am asking to you to enter the values of the matrix A, and these two for loops will make the reading. Why? Because here I am starting the I equal to 0, the value of I has to be lower of 3 because we have a matrix of 3 places, and as we remember, a matrix of 3 places, an array of 3 places starts on the place 0 and finish on the place 2. This second for loop will start with the j equal to 0. The j has to be lower of 3, as I already explained, and the j, every time the value of j will be increased by 1. So this scanf will storage the value that you type in your keyboard on the computer memory in the position A, I, and j. So at the first time, the value will be equal to 0 and 0. The second, 0, 1, because for the value of I equal to 0, the value of j of this j will be equal to 0, 1, and 2. And that's how you will read a matrix on C language or in other languages too. This printf will ask you to enter the values of the matrix B and follows the same way of thinking of this one. Here is the key of this program, the core. Why? Because here I am using the same way of thinking, but I am using the if conditional. If the value placed on this position A, I, and J is bigger to the value placed on the position B, I, and J, the value of C will be equal to the value of A, because the value of A in this case is bigger than the value of B on this exactly position. And if the value of A it isn't bigger than the value of B, the value of C is going to be equal to the value of B on this position. Just that. This printf will just print on the screen that the matrix with the biggest value is equal to the values that will be printed. This will have the control. And you can use the control, but also you can use this way, printf /n. So we will print all the line of the matrix, all the rows and columns, all the rows, and when we finish to print the row, this printf will print the value. This printf will print the slash n will skip a line. So we will organize the value of the matrix on the terminal. And here we have the same conditionals of the for. And here I am printing the percentage %d with a space just to organize the values too. Sorry, okay, this is correct. What the values on the matrix C in the places I and J. Just that. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. Enter the values of the matrix A. So the values will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And here I will use 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the matrix with the biggest values is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's check. 9 is bigger than 1, 8 is bigger than 2, 7 is bigger than 3, 6 is bigger than 4, 5 is equal to 5, so we'll print 5. 4 is lower than 6, so we will print 6, 7, 8, and 9 as follow the same way of thinking. So, thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description and subscribe for regular content.